In today's video, we are going to cook some frozen cinnamon rolls for the first time in our portable camping oven. Hopefully by the end of this video, we will have some delicious cinnamon rolls. So let's go get started. So in today's video, we're only going to need 3 things. I have a camping stove that we take on all of our camping trips. It's just run by propane tanks. Nothing too fancy about it. And the main thing that we're going to use is this camp oven. And I like this camp oven because as you see, it folds up pretty small. And then when I bring it on our trips, we just open it up and we can cook our food in it. And we're gonna use some Sister Schubert's cinnamon rolls is what we plan on cooking today. These are frozen, so hopefully the oven will be able to cook a frozen cinnamon roll. We're gonna try this out today. So the first thing we're gonna do is set this up and heat up the oven. So here we have our Modern Innovations oven. I purchased this last year and we've used it on all of our trips. Setup is pretty easy. You just open it up and you push down the bottom and you pull up the top and then you lock it in on the sides and we close the back and there we go. We have our oven. So like I said, this doesn't take too long to get started. Let's open it up. I've used this a whole bunch, so it's definitely been beat up quite a bit, but it's still in pretty good shape. There's a little bit of warping in it. It's made of stainless steel. The door does come off, so we can show you what's on the inside. And I have a grate, and this is what we're gonna use to put our cinnamon rolls on. So let's just set this in here. Let's probably put it in the middle today so we don't cook the bottom too bad. And it snaps right in. So now let's put it on the stove and heat it up. All right, as this stove is heating up, let me tell you about some of the things that I really like about this oven. Number one is it does have a window, and I like that because you can see inside of it. There's a Coleman stove, it doesn't have a window. They're about the same price. I bought this one because it was about $10 cheaper at the time. I think now some people have commented it's about the same price or kind of moves around a little bit. You know, Amazon changes. Which is where I purchased this stove. It's Modern Innovations. None of this stuff is sponsored. This is just something I thought would be cool, so I went online, found this one, and we took it with us on all of our camping trips. A lot of the things I have cooked have been successful, so I fully expect today's cinnamon rolls to cook well, but I do like that it folds down small like I showed you at the beginning, and so it doesn't take up a lot of room in the car when we go camping. I'm also a big fan of the stainless steel. It hasn't really rusted, but the little clips on the bottom are not stainless steel because those have rusted, but it hasn't been a big problem. And because I use it so much, the door does come off. So that's probably the biggest problem that I've had, is that the door comes off, but you just put it back on and you lock it. I used this in my hot tent one time to make bread, and that was mostly successful. I set it on the camp stove, but normally I use the propane, and I hear one of my propane tanks is running out, so I'm gonna change that real quick and then we'll come right back. I just replaced the propane tank, and one thing about this stove is it heats up really, really fast. It's already at 400 degrees, which is probably more about 450. So we're supposed to cook this at 350 under tin foil for 20 minutes and then 10 minutes without tin foil, but we're just going to put it all in and start from the beginning with no tin foil. So I'm gonna open this up. One thing about this is this handle gets really, really hot. So let me grab a paper towel, and that's what I use just to open it up because that's what I have with me on my camping trips. From setup to putting in my cinnamon rolls, I'm only at about 5 minutes total. So it does not take long to get this started. So let's just open this up and we're going to put in our frozen cinnamon rolls about right there in the middle. Close our door and we will wait about 10 minutes before we check it again. I'm also going to turn down the power a little bit. So one thing about this stove is because it's so hot, I find that it is very forgiving and it cooks really, really fast. So I'm actually going to only set my timer for about 10 minutes now that we're in the stove, and then I'll come back and check on it and we might be ready to go by then. So I've set a timer for 10 minutes and then we'll come check on it. We are only 5 minutes in. It says we're at 350, but let's open this up real quick and make sure we're not burning anything. It smells amazing already. Oh yeah, look at that. So I don't think this is gonna take the full 30 minutes like it says to cook. But with my experience on this oven, it cooks really, really fast. And as you can see on the bottom, there's 2 heat displacers. Those are pretty nice. Just helps the heat move around, and then the heat kind of goes through and comes up the top. So let's close this back up and we'll do another 10 minutes and see what happens. So I waited another 10 minutes. We have now been cooking for 15 minutes total. Oh, check this out. They might be almost done. Let's give them a quick little check over here. I think we might be done cooking. Ah, push down the grate. See, that's what happens when you push down on it. We'll leave that in there for a real life video. But yeah, check that out. I think we're good. So let's take this out, put it on top, and give it some icing. And maybe we'll check the internal temperature to make sure it's cooked. But I don't think I had any problems by not putting the tin foil on top. Looks like it's cooked all the way through. It's kind of come around the edges. It's not gonna stick in here. This would be an easy thing to take on a camping trip because you can cook it when it's frozen, but it also has instructions to cook it when it's been thawed. So if you just keep this in your cooler, let it thaw overnight, in the morning you want cinnamon rolls, this would be a perfect little set of cinnamon rolls that you could just have when you wake up. From beginning to end, this probably took me about 20 minutes total to cook, from the time I set it up to the time I'm taking it out now. Like I said, the oven cooks a lot faster than normal. And there we have our cinnamon rolls. So now I'm just gonna let them cool for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna take it up, and my kids and I are going to try them out this morning and make sure it's something that we want to take with us on a camping trip. So we finished our cinnamon rolls. Last time we made
cookies.
We made cookies, and we just kind of pushed them into a 4x4 container. But here's our cinnamon rolls, so we're gonna try these out. So these took about 15 minutes to cook, which is about 10 minutes less than it would in an oven. So we'll see if cooking it faster made it any better or worse than normal. So we have our stainless steel silverware, and we'll put it on our plates. I'll grab one. So the sides look like they're cooked. The insides look like they're cooked all the way through. I did temp it with a thermometer. We hit about 190 degrees, and that was after it was sat for about 5 minutes. So it was probably over 200, so it cooked all the way through. But now let's just test them out and see how they taste. All right, so the outside has about a little crunch to it, seems pretty perfect. I'm gonna take one from the middle because those are always the soft ones, and I like the soft ones.
The best ones.
Yes. So I'll take some of this one from the middle. Here, you can have some of it. There you go. Now let's try the middle. This would be the hardest part to cook.
See if it's raw.
Food review. Was it good?
Probably better than the cookies.
Better than the cookies. They're very soft. They cooked well. The camping oven had no problems cooking these. It cooked them in a lot less time than a standard oven, and they taste amazing. So is this something we should bring on our camping trips?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, an easy morning breakfast if you just want to wake up, cook something quick. Everybody likes cinnamon rolls. I think we'll try to do cinnamon rolls from a container, like the Pillsbury ones, in one of our videos to see if there's a difference between those and these, because these are just super simple and super easy to put together, and they taste amazing.
Are they homemade?
No, these are frozen.
Okay.
These are frozen from Walmart.
Yeah, probably.
So,
we should try it from the can.
So I'll try the can one in a future video. But thank you for watching, and this was another success with our camp oven. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye. These are pretty good.
That was really good, actually. Wow. The middle one.